opportunity to contribute to this motion. Mr. Speaker, it's welcoming to have a national security or a security and intelligence bill being debated this afternoon. Mr. Speaker, I've gone through the report and I would like to draw your attention to paragraph 6.7, which deals with clauses 39 to 31. And before I go there, I would like to make reference to Article 18.2 of the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, Article 18.2 of the Constitution reads, with your permission, that no person shall be subjected to interference with the privacy of his home, property, correspondence, or communication, except in accordance with law, and as may be necessary in a free and democratic society for public safety or the economic well-being of the country, for the protection of health or morals, for prevention of disorder or crime, or for the protection of the rights of freedoms of others. Mr. Speaker, clauses 39 to 31 of this report deals with the powers that are going to be given to a Superior Court justice. From a report of the National Security Coordinator or any of his deputies, to target persons and locations with specific rules for warrants authorizing interception of communications. Mr. Speaker, that's on paragraph 6.7, under the signature of the said judicial officer. Warrants authorizing specific persons to carry out powers such as intercepting communications or obtaining information and documents as stated. Mr. Speaker, this power or powers that are being given to the National Security Coordinator or any officer designated by the President under his hand must be exercised carefully under the Constitution, Mr. Speaker, because very often when persons are given such powers, they overreact, they breach people's privacy and fundamental human rights because of such others. And we want the courts to be very firm and undertake the right steps when granting such orders. Mr. Speaker, it is also welcoming that the President is willing to cede his powers by appointing a national security minister. Mr. Speaker, most countries in the West African sub-region and in Africa have a designated minister for national security. And I know for a fact that the Interior Minister is acting as the minister responsible for national security. It will be very important for him to be given, for the President to appoint a minister for national security to assist with the hard work that he's undertaking for the country. You all know that we don't have a minister for defense as we speak, and we think it's a welcoming bill. Interfering with persons' privacy, intercepting their calls, searching their homes must be in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. And we'll be checking the activities of the National Security Coordinator and his operatives in the exercise of these functions. Mr. Speaker.
So you are speaking with specific reference to 29 to 31?
Yes, clauses 29 to 31, which deals with interception of communications under the hand of a judicial officer. It's on pages 4 and 5 of the report, Mr. Speaker.
I'm looking at the substantive bill, which make reference to application to the judge.
Yes. We are debating the report, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, the principle and then the this thing.
So I can look at
So I'm just drawing your attention to the fact that this is subject to an application made pursuant to an application.
I'm saying that that person who is given that power must exercise those powers within the tenets of the law and the Constitution. That's all I'm saying.
Yes, but once a judge is the one going to grant the application or refuse the application. I don't know if you want to participate in the
debate.
No, I'm not participating in the debates. But we want the factual situation to be out there.
So, Mr. Speaker, it's also welcoming that the Minister for Interior with oversight responsibility over national security is pushing this bill. I know how passionate he has been, and he's also giving impetus to the regional security councils and the district security councils, because you go to a district, somebody will be working there performing the duties of a district security coordinator. That person ought to be known and approved by the minister responsible for national security. The structure, the security architecture that is being proposed here is going to be backed by law. So whoever breaches any of the provisions in the law could be taken on by any of the offenders. So I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity. But my interest was on the interference and interception of our communications. I thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.